came to us?
Yeah, I experienced a lot of migraine headaches, anxiety, a lot of chest pain, just anxiousness, irritability, had difficulty sleeping.
Yeah.
I really struggled just to relax.
Yeah. How about GI stuff?
Yeah, my stomach, I had a lot of difficulty digesting food, a lot of bloating, kind of swelling, just water retention, and just inflammation.
How long have you had these symptoms?
Almost a year.
A year?
Yes.
Okay. And obviously you sought care.
I did. And
what kind of doctors have you seen?
I saw my primary care doctor first.
Yeah.
He immediately noticed anxiety symptoms and put me on antidepressants. And I still struggled. It didn't heal anything. It kind of took some of the edge off, but I still had just constant adrenaline rushes.
Yeah.
Very difficult just to relax.
Right. And then who else have you seen as
from there, I still struggled for several months. I went and saw a psychologist thinking, well, maybe it's in my mind, in my head. That helped a little bit just to kind of keep things on the positive and try not to think so much in a negative way, breathing exercises and things, but it really didn't help. From there, I went to a naturopath, and she put me on a lot of supplements. Even after the supplements, I really still wasn't feeling better. I still had the anxiety symptoms. And then I noticed on Facebook your post about these adrenal symptoms. And I thought maybe he's onto something. I'm going to look into that.
So how many doctors total have you seen? Because you have brought in a binder full of lab tests.
I did, because prior to that, I had also seen a cardiologist for my high blood pressure. I'd also seen, cardiologist, gastric doctor too, because I'd had a lot of acid reflux and things, which I thought was the cause of my chest pain.
Right.
And so approximately about 6 doctors.
6 doctors over the course of a year.
Over a course
searching for answers.
Yes.
And all to no avail. And so 3 months into our treatment, what type of improvement have you noticed?
I am about 80% better when it comes to anxiety. I am so much more relaxed. My family has gotten me back.
Yeah.
So I'm sleeping better.
How about the heart flutters? You're getting heart palpitations.
Yes, so much better. I'm not feeling those anymore.
Yeah.
Occasionally when I'm super stressed, but I feel like I can manage stress a little better too.
Yeah. And then how about headaches? You were getting migraines before?
Yes, I was getting about 8 to 10 migraine headaches a month.
A month, yeah.
And I am now down to maybe 1 to 2 a month, and they're so much less intense.
Yeah.
So I rarely get a migraine, and even now after being on this program, I've only had maybe a few, and they haven't been as intense.
And how about digestion?
Much better. I feel like I'm much more regular. I'm less bloated. I've lost some unwanted pounds.
How much weight?
13 pounds since I've started.
That's great. Yeah. So what do you feel is the biggest difference between what we do and what you have tried in the past?
I think the biggest difference is you're not throwing a pill at it. You're not. You're addressing root cause. You're really focused on what is the underlying root cause and problem as a result of why I'm having these symptoms. Right. Every other doctor that I've been to would just treat it by giving me a pill or giving me a supplement.
Right.
And not really saying why are you feeling this way?
Yeah, yeah. So now you were saying how many good days you had prior to coming to see us?
A month?
Yeah. Out of a 30-day period, how
many
good days?
Out of a 30-day period, I'd have maybe 2 or 3 good days a month.
And how about now? how many good days would you have a month?
I would say 25 good days a month.
Wow, that's a big shift.
Yes.
So it's definitely improved your quality of life and made a big difference.
Tremendously. My family's so happy, and so am I, and it's great.
So would you recommend this to other people who
Absolutely.
may be struggling with chronic health issues?
Absolutely.
Take the plunge?
Yes, I've already recommended you to many, many others.
Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing, Cyndee. You're an inspiration to other patients, and hopefully I have more patients like you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Thanks.